Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about popcorn pricing your upsells. Now, what is popcorn pricing? It's just like at the movie theaters, really simple. You've got a small, medium, large popcorn. The small is $5, the medium is $6, the large is $10. Which one do you pick? Most people will answer the medium because for an extra dollar, you may as well get the medium popcorn. Kind of the same principle with your upsells, except this time we're going to do it on the early check-in, and we're going to actually leverage the concept of popcorn pricing to provide a free early check-in and incentivize guests to purchase an actual early check-in. In order to do this, what you can do now in Enso Connect is you can create options for your upsells. So we've got a list right here on the right-hand side of different templates. You can obviously create from scratch your very own upsell, or you can use one of our existing templates. So I'm going to get started right here, and you can see at the very top, we can decide whether or not this upsell is applied to all of your properties, a specific group of properties, or just one or two or five specific properties. You can add a condition from the range of conditions that we have at Enso Connect so that you can say if a certain criteria has been met, then you can offer this upsell. You can name the overall upsell and add a description, including videos, pictures, URLs, you name it. Now, on the bottom section right here, what we're going to do is we're going to apply the same logic of popcorn pricing. So we can create three different types of upsells. One we call early bird, or let's call this one the free check-in. We're going to call this one the early bird, and then we're going to call this one the super early bird. Each of these can have different prices. We're going to make the free one obviously free, and we're going to make this for 3:30 p.m. There we go. Oops. 3:30 p.m. Then we've got the early bird. We're going to make this one $50, and this is if someone shows up, let's say at 2 p.m. And then the super early bird, $100, and this is if someone shows up at 1 p.m. Again, all you're doing is your popcorn pricing, your upsells, you're providing a free service of an early check-in for a couple minutes if the guest wants, but you're also indicating that you have some more premium upsells here or paid versions so that you can offer a top-notch guest experience. Thank you so much for joining me on this Enso Demo Bite. See you on the next.